So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 15 repeated questions to answer on the topic interpersonal relationship. So guys, this video will be about Christians living among non-Christians. So in short to stay till the end of this video, let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, Christians should keep away from any brother dash according to Paul. So we have options: A, living in idleness; B, living in fantasy; C, living alone; D, frugal in spending. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that is for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So we have here question number 2. It says, Obadiah showed his great reverence for the Lord by A, handing over 500 Baal prophets to slaughter; B, feeding the prophets of the Lord with bread and water; C, falling on his face before Elijah; D, hiding Elijah in a cave for 2 years. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, feeding the prophets of the Lord with bread and water. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So we have here the next question, question number 3. It says, according to Peter, Christians should maintain good conduct among non-Christians so that they could A, love one another; B, be seen doing good; C, become children of God; D, get help from the Gentiles. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, so that they could be seen doing good. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. We have here the next question, question number 4. It says, in Gospel of Matthew, which group of religious leaders were particularly hostile towards Jesus? We have A, Zealots; B, Pharisees; C, Sadducees; D, Essenes. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, that's the Pharisees. So let's go ahead and check out the next question. Alright guys, we have here question number 5. It says, Peter advises the elders to tend the flock of God with A, knowledge and understanding; B, zeal and credibility; C, authority and compassion; D, a willing and cheerful heart. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's a willing and cheerful heart. So let's go ahead and check out the next question together, guys. Alright, here is question number 6. It says, Paul advised Christians in Thessalonica to keep away from any brother who is A, very stingy in giving; B, living in idleness; C, living in sin; D, not proclaiming the gospel. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, living in idleness. And that's it for this question. So let's check out the next question, guys. Alright, here is question number 7. It says, according to Peter, Christians living among non-Christians should A, live like them; B, maintain good conduct; C, avoid them; D, be suspicious of them. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, maintain good conduct. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Alright, here we have question number 8. It says, where were the disciples of Jesus when he had a conversation with the Samaritan woman? A, they had gone to wait for him; B, they had gone to the city to preach the gospel; C, they had gone to the mountain to pray; D, they had gone to the city to buy food. Alright, so the answer to this question, guys, is option D here. They had gone to the city to buy food. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and see the next question here, guys. So here's the next question here, question number 9. It says, in Colossians, Paul admonished believers not to lie to one another because they A, were waiting for the second coming of Christ; B, were joint heirs with Christ in the kingdom; C, had known the truth from the very beginning; D, had put off the old nature with its practices. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, had put off the old nature with its practices. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So we have here question number 10. It says, Peter teaches that good Christian conduct is characterized by love and A, fear of God; B, hard work; C, impartial judgment, D, forbearance. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's the love of God. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, the next question here is question number 11. It says, is it not they who blaspheme the honorable name which was invoked over you? According to James in the statement above, they refers to the A, needy, B, principalities, C, authorities, D, rich. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. The they in this statement refers to the rich. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Alright, we have here question number 12. It says, Lord, do not trouble yourself, for I am not worthy to have you come under my roof. The continuation of this message by the centurion indicates that A, as an army officer, he wanted to avoid contact with Jesus. B, as a Gentile, he did not like the Jews. C, he had faith in the power of Jesus' word. D, he was afraid of Jesus. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. He had faith in the power of Jesus' word. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Alright, here's question number 13. It says, go and learn what this means. I desire mercy and not sacrifice. What event preceded the statement made by Jesus above? We have A, call of the 12 apostles. B, eating with tax collectors. C, healing of the lepers. D, deliverance of the demoniac. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, eating with tax collectors. And that's it for this question, guys. The answer to this question here is option B. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So guys, we have here question number 14. It says, Apostle Paul advised Christians living in the community to live A, caring life, B, exemplary life, C, wayward life, D, loving life. The answer to this question, guys, is option B, that's exemplary life. And let's go ahead and consider the next and last question, guys. Alright, we have here question number 15 and the last. It says, 2 Christian virtues to be learned in the story of the Good Samaritan are A, kindness and fairness, B, justice and humility, C, compassion and humility, D, compassion and mercy. Okay, guys, the answer to this question is option D, compassion and mercy. And that is for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examination. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.